I am humbled and honored to be in such good company to have been selected to receive the Champion of Justice Award by the State Bar of Michigan. I consider it a privilege to do the work that I do in my current position, and to receive recognition on top of that is really just icing on the cake for me. I'm someone who's been intrigued by the rule of law from a very young age, and so to participate in the practice of law at the level in which I've been able to, but frankly, I never would have envisioned that I would be able to marry my intrigue with the rule of law with my passion for community service in the way that I've been able to do with the U.S. Attorney's Office. My development, however, has not been solely attributable to my own efforts. I owe a debt of gratitude to a number of people who have assisted me along the way. Chief amongst those, my very first role model, my mother, Earlene Rowland. She was someone who had to raise me alone after my father passed away when I was 4 years old, and she was the first person to really instill in me a sense of the importance of justice, to instill in me a sense of pride, and also to instill in me, frankly, a healthy respect for authority, all in love, but I thank my mom for that. And I also thank her for having the good sense to, later on, when I was in high school, marry someone, my stepdad, Ron Rowland, who really exemplifies kindness and has a servant's heart. That's something that I try to bring to my work each and every day. With respect to my professional career, I've also had a number of mentors and individuals who've helped me to develop professionally. Starting out at Dickinson Wright, I had great role models. Current Supreme Court Justice Mary Beth Kelly was my very first mentor, and she helped me to start my career. In addition, there were a number of partners at that firm who saw something in me and who helped me to develop. And those would include Larry Campbell, Kathy Lang, and current district court judge, but who was then a partner at Dickinson Wright, Linda Partner. And that brings me to my current office, the U.S. Attorney's Office, where I owe a debt of gratitude to so many folks, not the least of which is the U.S. Attorney who hired me, Saul Green, someone who I still have a relationship with today and who exemplified integrity and dignity that I hope to accomplish in my own professional walk. I'd also like to acknowledge Barbara McQuaid, the current U.S. Attorney. Barbara is the one who actually nominated me for this award. She is someone who is a true servant leader and someone who provides an example of leadership that we should all aspire to. I thank her for giving me the opportunity to do the community outreach that I do, but also to be the trial lawyer that I love being. Finally, my home team. I've got to thank my husband, Grant Davis, who's been my partner for these last 23 years, who has supported me during the many trials where I know that he's felt like he's been a single parent. He's been the person who has been the most important in supporting me throughout the period that I've been pursuing this dream of practicing law at the very highest level and of serving my community at the very highest level. He's also been the person who has helped me to raise 3 beautiful children who are kind, who are considerate, who are authentic human beings, Kianoa, Maya, and Jossie Davis. So thank you very much to the State Bar. I don't feel like I deserve this recognition, but I'm very grateful for it.